Ever wondered how the ancient Egyptians built those massive pyramids? Well, it wasn't an overnight affair. It's believed that they utilized simple yet effective techniques like the use of ramps and levers to lift and move the giant stone blocks. It wasn't magic, it was sheer manpower, an estimated workforce of tens of thousands of laborers working tirelessly under the Egyptian sun. And time? It was no object. The construction of a single pyramid could span over 2 decades. Imagine 20 years dedicated to a single architectural endeavor. It's a testament to the incredible dedication and precision of the ancient Egyptians. Inside these structures lay the earthly remains of the pharaohs, surrounded by treasures meant to accompany them into the afterlife. But the pyramids were more than just grand tombs. They were a symbol of the pharaoh's divine connection to the gods. It's astounding to think that these structures, built thousands of years ago, still stand today. So the pyramids were an architectural marvel, but why were they built? Well, the primary purpose of these grand structures was to serve as eternal resting places for pharaohs. The pharaohs, who were considered gods on earth, were buried with a wealth of treasures. Gold, jewelry, chariots, and even food were placed inside the pyramids to accompany the pharaohs in their journey to the afterlife. But beyond their function as tombs, the pyramids held a deeper spiritual significance in Egyptian culture. They were seen as stairways to the heavens, a celestial ladder of sorts, allowing the pharaoh's soul to ascend to the realm of the gods. This belief was deeply rooted in their understanding of life, death, and the cosmos. Their precise alignment with celestial bodies also leads many to believe that they served as astronomical observatories, a testament to the Egyptians' advanced knowledge of the stars. The pyramids were not just tombs, they were a testament to the pharaoh's divine status and a gateway to the afterlife. Fast forward to modern times, the pyramids have become a symbol of mystery and exploration. As we delve into these ancient marvels, we uncover a labyrinth of chambers and corridors. The internal structures of the pyramids are as intricate as they are mesmerizing, revealing a rich tapestry of Egyptian civilization. Many treasures have been unearthed from within these limestone giants. From precious jewelry to ornate chariots and even boats, the pharaohs were buried with an array of artifacts intended for the afterlife. Yet the greatest treasure lies in the invaluable insights these relics provide into the lives, beliefs, and culture of ancient Egyptians. Despite centuries of exploration and study, the pyramids still guard many mysteries. Ongoing research continues to unearth surprising findings, challenging our understanding and keeping the allure of these monuments alive. From hidden chambers to unexplained construction techniques, the pyramids remain an enigma, a testament to the ancient world's ingenuity. The pyramids continue to hold secrets, waiting to be discovered. So, what do these timeless structures represent today? As we cross the sands of time, we find the pyramids standing tall, not just as a testament to the ancient Egyptian civilization, but as a symbol of human ingenuity. They continue to draw millions of visitors from around the globe, casting a spell with their grandeur and mystery, contributing significantly to Egypt's tourism. Their architectural brilliance influences modern construction, inspiring pyramid-like designs in buildings, museums, and even private homes. Their cultural impact extends far beyond Egypt, permeating popular culture through movies, literature, and art. Moreover, the concept of pyramid construction wasn't exclusive to Egypt. From the Americas to Asia, other ancient civilizations have also left behind pyramids, highlighting a fascinating global phenomenon. Yet, despite centuries of exploration and study, the Egyptian pyramids still hold secrets, whispering tales of the past, waiting to be unearthed. The pyramids, a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of an ancient civilization, continue to fascinate us today.